Good morning, everyone. Hope you are safe and healthy. Today, we are going to read a comprehension poem from Oxford International English, and page number is 90. So, quickly bring your anthology books and open up page number 90. Let's read the learning objectives with me. Can I read the poem with rhyme and rhythm? And I know you know about rhyme and rhythm. Can I identify poetic devices used in the poem? So you also know about the poetic devices, that these are the tools of a poet which he uses to make his poem more meaningful. Can I answer literal questions from the poem? Now read the poem with me. Over my toes goes the soft sea wash. See the sea swash, the soft sand slip. See the sea slip, the soft sand slide. See the sea slide, the soft sand slap. See the sea slap, the soft sand wash over my toes. So, my dear students, I'll explain you the poem by using the five senses. So, what are our five senses? Yes, it is the sense of sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. So, with the help of these, it will be easy for you to understand the poem thoroughly. Before explaining the poem to you people, I want to ask you a question. How do you feel when you go to the sea? Okay, let me tell you how I feel when I go to the sea. I always feel relaxed whenever I visit the sea. I love the soft sand under my toes, and I also love the noise made by the sea waves. Now let's start the poem. So the poet is saying that over my toes goes the soft sea wash. See the sea wash. So whenever he goes to the beach or to the sea, he had the sea wash. You know what is a sea wash? In a sea wash, all the dirt is removed from your body by the sea or the sea waves. So that is called The sea wash. The soft sand slip, see the sea slip. The soft sand slide, see the sea slide. So he is feeling the soft sand under his toes. The sand is so soft and smooth. So by using the five senses, he can feel the soft sand. He can see the waves, the seashells on the sea. He can also feel the surfy and foamy waves. You know, the waves are foamy and surfy. And then he can hear also the loud noise made by the waves. That is the noise made by the waves. It's so loud. And he's telling us that he can also feel the sand slap made by the sand, which is very soft slap. And then he feels so relaxed and he is in peace. So he loves going to the sea. What about you? Do you love to go to the sea? Yes, many people do love to go to the sea. Now let's have a look at the homework questions. Answer the given questions in context with the poem. Imagine you are the child in the poem. What do you see, feel, and hear? So you are going to write the answer using your five senses. That you went to the sea, what you saw there, what were your feelings, and what you heard. Question number 2. What else apart from the sea washes over the poet's toes? So you are going to write about that thing which is apart from the sea and it washes over the poet's toes. Do question number 1 and question number 2 on OIE activity book page number 88. So this is all for today. Goodbye and have a nice day.